Meaning of free pardon.
Free pardon.
Free pardon.
Free pardon.
Free pardon. A free pardon is a legal act of forgiveness that removes all conviction and penalty for a crime. It restores an individual's rights and reputation as if the crime had never occurred. In other words, it's a complete and unconditional forgiveness from the government. This means that the person who receives a free pardon is no longer considered guilty of the offense and does not face any further punishment or penalties related to it. In essence, a free pardon wipes the slate clean and gives the person a fresh start without any legal repercussions.